Hello friends, let's travel around the world and learn how people say, "How are you?" In the United States we say, "How are you?" In China we say, "Ni hao ma?" In Brazil we say, "Tudo bem?" In South Africa we say, "How's it?" In France we say, "Ça va?" In Japan we say, "O genki desu ka?" Wave your hands now, round and round now. Every country sing aloud now. Hello, bonjour, ni hao, hola tu. Everybody say, "How are you?" Dance with me, sing with me. Friends around the world are family. Hey, hey. Around the world we go. Hey, hey. Let the whole world know. Let the whole world know. In Nigeria we say, "How far?" In Australia we say, "How you going?" In India we say, "Ab kaise hai?" In Germany we say, "Wie geht's?" In Mexico we say, "Cómo estás?" In Egypt we say, "ازيك?" In Argentina we say, "Cómo estás?" In Canada we say, "How's it going?" In Italy we say, "Come stai?" In Kenya we say, "Habari yako?" In South Korea we say, "Jaljine soyo." In Spain we say, "¿Qué tal?" Hey, hey. Move to the left now. Hey, hey. Move to the right now. Jump, jump. Clap your hands. Friends together all across the land. In Morocco we say, "Labas?" In Thailand we say, "Sabay di mai?" In New Zealand we say, "How's it going?" In Turkey we say, "Nasılsın?" In Ghana we say, "Etesen?" In Indonesia we say, "Apa kabar?" Hello, bonjour, ni hao, hola tu. Everybody say, "How are you?" Dance with me, sing with me. Friends around the world are family. Different places, different sounds, different smiles all around. Different languages every day, but friendship brings us all one way. In the United Kingdom we say, "You alright?" In Colombia we say, "¿Cómo vas?" In Saudi Arabia we say, "Kaifa haluk?" In Tanzania we say, "Habari?" In Switzerland we say, "Vigo?" In Fiji we say, "Ula wakachava?" In Uganda we say, "Oli ocha?" In Senegal we say, "Nangade?" In Vietnam we say, "Bangkweho?" In the Philippines we say, "Kamusta ka?" In Portugal we say, "Como estas?" In Greece we say, "Tikanes?" In Jamaica we say, "Wagwan?" In Costa Rica we say, "Como estas?" In Peru we say, "Como estas?" In Chile we say, "Como va?" In Samoa we say, "Wamai oi?" In Papua New Guinea we say, "You oreis?" In Rwanda we say, "Amakuru?" In Nepal we say, "Timilai kastocha?" No matter where we come from, no matter what we say, friends around the world can smile every hello, bonjour, ni hao, hola tu. Everybody say, "How are you?" Dance with me, sing with me. Friends around the world are family. Hey, hey. Around the world we go. Hey, hey. Let the whole world know. We may speak differently, but friendship sounds the same everywhere. Goodbye, friends. See you next adventure.